You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Pull out the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. The calculator stops you from accessing the battery holding system. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. To remove the battery, push down on the first plastic tab, lift up the locking system, then extract it. Using a large flathead screwdriver, move the second tab and simultaneously remove the battery.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. To put the battery back in, incline it to the left, or while inserting it into the holding spurs of the battery box. Once in place, push down on the battery to clip it and position it correctly in its housing. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the plastic tab on the locking system back in place. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Put the fastening latch on the positive terminal. Ensure that the terminal has been fully inserted as much as possible. Then, put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.